Hello everyone, welcome back to CryptoTrain. I'm just going to show you something real quick that's easy to identify. If you have our scripts, you'll be able, and if you're in our Discord, you can ask for the scripts, and the scripts are for free. So if you're not in the Discord, join Discord. But when you join Discord, you have to say something so we know that you're in there, so I can give you access to the trades. It's free right now, but you'll get access to these scripts right here. So most people use trend lines on the price action, and if you watch my videos, you know that I'm not a price action trader. I like trading with the oscillators and the indicators, and that's how I do my trading. But if you find a swing low on your oscillator and a higher swing low, therefore you can draw a line across there, a trend line, and you can put in a buy order when it breaks down below it. You can see right here it broke down below it. This is where it crossed. Let me get my little indicator. So you can see that this is the when the oscillator broke below this trend line. So you go ahead and put a buy order there, or a sell order actually, and you just do your swing high, and you target 1 to 1 or 1.5. I usually do 1 to 1, and then we do a 80-20 is what we teach. And you can see it 1.34% just by doing this. This is an easy secret, or easy to identify. It's not a secret. Anybody could do it on any indicator, but this particular indicator is custom for us. We changed the settings. Join Discord and you'll be able to get it. But just like that, you'll be able to see it, and you'll be able to take that trade. So this is just another little tool that you can use using our custom indicators. And if you like them, all you have to do is join Discord and ask for them, and we'll get them hooked up for you.